Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by checking the coating and paint closely. You need a clean, cured base. Remove tree sap, tar, and bonded iron with a clay bar and iron remover so sealants adhere. Once done, wash with a pH-neutral shampoo and dry fully. If the coating is fresh, make sure it has cured the manufacturer's recommended 24 to 48 hours before proceeding. These steps prevent trapping contaminants and ensure your next protective layer bonds correctly. You now add a maintenance booster to replenish hydrophobicity and surface chemistry. Spray or apply a few drops per panel and work it in using a soft microfiber or finishing pad in light crosshatch passes to ensure even distribution. Buff off excess before it flashes. This prevents streaks and high spots. Make sure to respect the product's tack-free and cure windows, typically 30 to 60 minutes initial set, and avoid water for. You finish by establishing a regular maintenance rhythm to protect the ceramic layer long-term. Wash every 1 to 2 weeks with a pH-neutral shampoo using the 2-bucket method. This reduces abrasion. If you find marring or bonded contamination, clay and light polish only the affected area, then immediately reapply a booster to restore protection. If water spots form, treat them with a diluted vinegar solution or a water spot remover, rinse, dry, and recoat that panel to preserve clarity.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.